to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out the Sultry Nights palette from Physicians Formula. So this is actually one that I bought in my Beauty Bay haul most recently. And you know what? I put it in the basket with the bits that I've got to test and I forgot all about it. I should have done this ages ago really. But anyway, better late than never. So it looks like this. And then the colours are like this. This is the one that really stood out to me. I absolutely love this colour, so I'm definitely going to be using that one. And then you get a, I took it out so it didn't fall out, but you get a sponge applicator thingy. So yeah, I might actually try that on the shimmer, because apparently these are supposed to be really good for applying the shimmers. So I might give that a try. I did swatch a few of these in the Beauty Bay haul, and I know that that one I absolutely love. So I don't know. We'll just whack it on and see what I come up with. But yeah, let's get them on. So I think what I'm going to do is with this colour here, I'm going to go into my crease and also on the outer half. Straight away, I'm just going to do that all in one go and then give it a blend.
I don't want to meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving.
That's a really nice shade of brown. I really like that. What I am going to do is just go over it again though, just to deepen it up again slightly. Okay, so we're looking like that. Do you know what? I was going to blend that out into that paler tan colour, which was that one there. But now I've blended it, it's blended so well into like my natural skin tone that I don't want to put that on. I think I'm just going to leave it really simple today and just have that. And then I'm going to use the Shimmery Blue on this half. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut my crease on the inner part there, just to make it pop that little bit more. So I've cut the crease on both now, obviously, and I'm going to go in with this shade here.
Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move the way my hands feel on you.
So like that. It's different, and to be honest, when the colour is on, it doesn't look to me, try and get it, as blue as it does in the pan. It looks more of like a charcoal grey, but I do like it. Yeah, right, okay, so what I'm going to do, because it's quite a harsh edge, is just dip back in with a fluffy brush into that brown colour and just try and blend a bit more where it joins. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, underneath, I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know whether to go for the brown or the tan colour. No, what I'm going to do is just on the outer bit, just here, just to join where I've done that, I'm going to use the brown, and then I'm going to use the, sorry, can you see that? The brown. And then I'm going to use the tan and take that in further. Well, try anyway.
It's hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't want to let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain.
Yeah, I like that. This is really making me feel like, you know, when you go on holiday and you go out in the evening, it's really giving me that sort of vibe with a nice tan and everything. Yeah, nice. Which is funny because it does smell of coconut. That's all I can smell, which is really nice. Like Hawaiian tropic or something. But yeah, really like it. Right, so then I'm torn in my inner corner between this one and this one. I think what I'm going to do is use this more champagne-y shade on my brow bone and then use this one here on my inner corner. The only thing I will say, which is what I'm struggling with, is the fact that it's got no mirror. So I'm kind of a bit candid doing it. But yeah, so inner corners.
Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down.
That's nice. And then brow bone, as I say, I'm gonna go in with this champagne shade here.
'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down.
Yeah, I'm liking this. Right, okay, so I'm just going to go and pop some lashes on and then I'll be back. So here is the finished look and I think it's really nice. For $15.99, I'd say this is a really good quality palette. I actually, the formula is very buttery, which, I mean, it is called butter eyeshadow. And I was actually expecting it to be quite easy to apply because I have got the bronzer as well, which goes on really, really nice. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how it applied. I'm really pleased with the pigment and the blend is, yeah, lovely, absolutely lovely. This is definitely a palette that I think would be perfect if you're going on holiday and you just want one palette to chuck in your bag, plus a mirror, which is the only downfall. And yeah, you can use this on a evening, you know, out for your meal or whatever. I think it's lovely, and with a tan it would look beautiful. You can create so many more looks with this as well. Like you've got all your sort of shimmery coppery shades, and even you've got purple and black down the bottom if you wanted to really go all out and smoky. So this is a close-up of the eyes. I just love it. I love how this is blended. This brown shade on the top has blended so beautifully. It was just effortless. Well, you saw it was really effortless, and I didn't have to blend it out into a lighter colour or anything like I normally would. And yeah, I just think it's really, really nice, and they all go together, which they should because they're in the same palette. But yeah, recommend this one. So yeah, they actually do another one as well, another palette, which I think I'm gonna get my hands on because I was so impressed with this one, which is, I think it's more neutral tones. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.